Today we're going to talk about the quotient rule for exponents. Remember, when we're talking about quotient, we're talking about division. So let's consider x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 2. The first thing we should do is write them out completely. So x to the power of 6 is the same thing as x times x times x times x times x times x. And x to the power of 2 is the same thing as x times x. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on top, and 1, 2 on bottom. Now at this point, we can cancel to simplify. So if we have an x on top and an x on bottom, those cancel out, because remember, x over x, that's the same thing as saying 1. And then we can cancel out another x on the top and another x on the bottom. That leaves us with no x's in the bottom and 1, 2, 3, 4 x's on top. We would rewrite this as x to the 4th. So x to the 6th divided by x to the 2nd is the same thing as x to the 4th power. Let's look at another one. C to the 5th divided by c to the 3rd. Let's first write them out completely. C to the 5th is c times c times c times c times c. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And c to the 3rd is c times c times c. 1, 2, 3. Now let's cancel. Cancel that. Let's cancel another, and we are left with 2 c's, or c to the 2nd. So c to the 5th divided by c to the 3rd is equal to c to the 2nd. Now let's look at the two problems. X to the 6th divided by x to the 2nd equals x to the 4th, and c to the 5th divided by c to the 3rd equals c to the 2nd. Have you noticed a pattern? 6 minus 2 equals 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. When we divide exponential expressions, we subtract the exponents. When you are dividing exponential expressions, you use subtractions. So, a to the 4th divided by a to the 2nd is equal to 4 minus 2, which is 2, which gives you a to the 2nd. Remember, we write it out the long way, and then we cancel, which is where we get our a to the 2nd. We're going to subtract the exponents. So let's try a couple of practice ones. What would x to the 9th divided by x to the 5th be? If you said x to the 4th, you're correct. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Let's try one more. What would b to the 11th divided by b to the 7th be? If you said b to the 4th, you'd be right. 11 minus 7 equals 4. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. So remember, when you are dividing exponential expressions, you always subtract the exponents.